Imagine having a tireless investment assistant that monitors markets 24/7, executes trades at optimal moments, and manages your portfolio while you sleep. In 2026, AI-powered investment bots have made this vision a reality for everyday investors, not just Wall Street institutions. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how automated investing works, which AI bots actually deliver results, and how you can set them up to start making money. This isn't science fiction. These are real tools producing real returns for thousands of investors right now. Let's get started. What are AI investment bots? AI investment bots use machine learning to make automatic investment decisions, analyzing vast data like prices, volumes, news, and economic indicators. They execute trades instantly, remove emotional biases, and monitor markets 24/7. Once exclusive to hedge funds, retail investors can now access them cheaply and easily. While powerful, they aren't risk-free. Losses can occur during unprecedented events. Success comes from understanding their capabilities, setting goals, managing risk, and using them as part of a disciplined, long-term investment strategy. Types of AI investment bots. Different AI bots serve different investment strategies and goals. Let's break down the main categories you'll encounter. Robo-advisors. These are the most conservative and beginner-friendly AI bots. Platforms like Betterment, Wealthfront, and Schwab Intelligent Portfolios use AI to build diversified portfolios of index funds and ETFs based on your risk tolerance and timeline. The AI continuously rebalances your portfolio, maintains your target asset allocation, and implements tax loss harvesting to minimize taxes. You simply deposit money, and the bot handles everything. These typically charge 0.25% to 0.50% annually and are perfect for hands-off long-term investors. Expected returns mirror market performance, typically 6% to 10% annually over long periods, minus fees. Trading bots, more aggressive than robo-advisors. Trading bots actively buy and sell securities attempting to beat market returns. Platforms like 3, Crypto Hopper, and Trade Ideas use AI to identify trading opportunities across stocks, cryptocurrencies, forex, and other markets. These bots employ various strategies including momentum trading, arbitrage, mean reversion, and trend following. They execute dozens or hundreds of trades monthly, attempting to capture short-term price movements. Trading bots require more active monitoring and carry higher risk, but offer potential for higher returns. Hybrid systems. Some platforms combine elements of both approaches. M1 Finance, for example, lets you build a custom portfolio while AI handles rebalancing and optimization. Composer allows you to create investment strategies using simple building blocks, then the AI executes them automatically. Crypto trading bots. Specialized bots for cryptocurrency markets operate 24/7 since crypto never closes. They're particularly valuable because cryptocurrency volatility creates frequent trading opportunities. Bots like Pionex and Bitsgap offer grid trading, DCA strategies, and arbitrage across multiple exchanges simultaneously. How to get started? Let me walk you through the practical steps to start making money with AI investment bots. Step 1. Define your investment goals. Before choosing a bot, clarity on your objectives is essential. Are you saving for retirement 30 years away, building wealth over 5 to 10 years, or actively trading for shorter-term gains? Your timeline and goals determine which bot type suits you best. Long-term retirement investors should focus on robo-advisors with low fees and tax optimization. Those seeking more active returns might explore trading bots. Someone comfortable with volatility might consider crypto bots alongside traditional investments. Step 2. Assess your risk tolerance. AI bots can be conservative or aggressive depending on settings. Conservative bots invest primarily in bonds and stable assets with lower expected returns and minimal volatility. Moderate bots balance stocks and bonds for steady growth with manageable fluctuations. Aggressive bots concentrate in stocks or even use leverage, accepting significant volatility for higher return potential. Be honest about your comfort with losses. If a 20% portfolio decline would cause panic selling, choose conservative settings even if you're young. The best investment strategy is one you'll stick with during market downturns. Step 3. Choose your platform. Research platforms based on your goals, risk tolerance, and investment amount. For beginners with under $10,000, start with established robo-advisors like Betterment or Wealthfront, offering low minimums and straightforward approaches. For those with investment experience wanting more active trading, explore platforms like Trade Ideas or 3 Commas that provide customizable trading strategies. Cryptocurrency enthusiasts should examine specialized crypto bots with proven track records. Read reviews, check regulatory compliance, and verify security measures. Your bot should use encryption, 2-factor authentication, and reputable custodians for holding assets. Step 4. Start small and test. Don't immediately invest your entire savings with a new bot. Start with a small amount you're comfortable potentially losing, perhaps $500 to $2,000. Monitor performance for 3 to 6 months before increasing your investment. Many platforms offer paper trading or simulation modes where you test strategies with virtual money before risking real capital. Use these features to understand how the bot operates and whether its approach aligns with your expectations. If you're serious about automated investing and want to see my detailed platform comparisons and setup tutorials, hit that subscribe button right now. Step 5. Configure your settings. Most AI bots require initial configuration. You'll typically answer questions about age, income, investment timeline, risk tolerance, and financial goals. The AI uses this information to determine appropriate asset allocation and trading strategies. For trading bots, you'll set parameters like maximum position size, stop-loss levels, and which assets to trade. Conservative settings might risk only 2% per trade with tight stop-losses, while aggressive settings might risk 5 to 10% pursuing larger gains. Step 6. Fund your account. Link your bank account and transfer funds according to your plan. Many investors use dollar-cost averaging, investing fixed amounts monthly rather than lump sums. This approach reduces timing risk and often produces better long-term results. Set up automatic monthly deposits if possible. The AI bot invests these contributions according to your strategy, building wealth consistently without requiring you to remember manual transfers. Maximizing returns. Simply activating an AI bot isn't enough. Strategic approaches maximize your returns while managing risk effectively. Diversify across strategies. Don't put all your money in one bot or strategy. Consider allocating portions to different approaches. 60% to conservative robo-advisor for stability, 30% to moderate trading bot for growth, and 10% to aggressive crypto bot for high-risk, high-reward exposure. This diversification means if one strategy underperforms, others may compensate. Different AI approaches excel in different market conditions. Passive index investing shines during steady bull markets, while active trading can capture opportunities during volatility. Reinvest profits. Configure your bots to automatically reinvest dividends, interest, and trading profits. Compound growth creates exponential wealth over time. A bot earning 10% annually turns $10,000 into $67,000 over 20 years with profit reinvestment versus just $30,000 without compounding. Realistic expectations. AI investment bots can help grow wealth, but realistic expectations are key. Conservative robo-advisors typically return 6 to 10% annually, tracking market indexes reliably. Moderate trading bots may earn 10 to 20%, but many fail to beat simple index investing after fees and taxes. Aggressive bots, including crypto, can produce huge gains or heavy losses with high volatility. No bot wins every trade. The best manage risk, winning slightly more than they lose while limiting losses. Avoid platforms promising guaranteed high returns. They're often scams. Use AI bots to enhance disciplined, long-term investing, not as a shortcut to quick profits. Common mistakes to avoid. Even with sophisticated AI, investors often make mistakes that hurt returns. The biggest error is abandoning your bot during market downturns. Selling in panic usually locks in losses. Trust the bot unless fundamental flaws exist. Over-optimizing settings after short-term underperformance is another trap. Constant tweaks prevent strategies from proving themselves. Chasing past performance is risky, as last year's gains don't guarantee future results. Ignoring fees can dramatically reduce long-term growth. Higher costs compound over decades. Finally, never invest money you can't afford to lose. Only use funds you won't need for years, keeping emergency savings separate. By avoiding these common errors, AI bots can work as intended, helping investors build wealth through disciplined, long-term strategies without letting emotions or impatience sabotage results. Automated investing with AI bots makes sophisticated strategies accessible to everyday investors. Start conservatively with proven robo-advisors, then explore active strategies as you gain confidence. AI eliminates emotional decisions and enforces discipline, but can't remove market risk. Subscribe and hit the bell for AI investing guides, and comment which AI bot you're excited to try.